Are you tired of working long hours and not making enough money? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money while you sleep. These methods are proven to work and have the potential to earn you $100 or more. The first way to make money online while you sleep is through affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you earn a commission for promoting other people's products. Another way to make money is by creating and selling online courses. If you have knowledge or expertise in a specific field, people are willing to pay for your courses. One of the most popular ways to make money is by starting a dropshipping business. You can sell products without actually holding any inventory or shipping them yourself. Another way to make money online is by becoming a virtual assistant. Many businesses and entrepreneurs are looking for virtual assistants to help them with various tasks. If you're good at writing, you can become a freelance writer and make money while you sleep. There is a high demand for content creation, so you'll always have work. Starting a blog and monetizing it through ads or sponsored content is another great way to make money. You can build an audience and make money by sharing your knowledge or experiences. Investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies can be a lucrative way to make money passively. You can earn dividends or capital gains while you sleep. Creating and selling digital products, such as ebooks or designs, is another way to generate income. Once you've created the product, it can be sold repeatedly without any additional work. If you have a talent for photography, you can sell your photos on stock photography websites. People and businesses are always in need of high-quality images for their projects. Renting out a property or a room on platforms like Airbnb can generate a steady stream of income. You'll earn money every time someone books your property. If you have a popular YouTube channel, you can make money through ads or sponsorships. Create engaging content that attracts a large audience and monetize it effectively. If you have coding skills, you can develop and sell software or apps. There is a constant demand for new and innovative tech solutions. Another way to make money is by becoming an influencer on social media platforms. Brands will pay you to promote their products to your followers. Creating and selling online courses on platforms like Udemy or Coursera can be profitable. People are always looking to learn new skills and will pay for quality courses. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money online while you sleep. Find the method that suits your skills and interests and start earning passive income today. Subscribe now for more ways to make money online. Also leave a comment to get a chance to win free money every month.